Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you anyway. Hey J-Biz, I know you came here to say it's okay cause I love you all day. OMMGGGG. Y'all, I just recorded this voiceover. Whole time it was like rustling and shuffling and stuff, so it sounded a hot mess. So here I am doing it again. Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be doing a high bun with the swoop in the front, swooped high bun. I don't know, side part swooped high bun. Anyway, so in this part you'll see me parting my hair. Now what I can say for this part is you don't want to make this section too big and you don't want to make this section too small. You also don't want to part it too deep because I think it's going to get really hard. So usually I love deep side parts, but I tried to refrain from doing the deep side part this time. So I just used the arch of my eyebrow as a guide to not part too deep. And then you just saw me put a clip on my edges on the other side because they will get in the way, and it's really hard to get a straight part with this style, and that's exactly what I was going for. So then I put Eco Gel on my hair, and then I'm just brushing it, like trying to mold it together before I do anything else. One tip I will say is I should have used my good old olive oil Eco Gel. This is because with the Wetline Xtreme Gel, I feel as though it's better for like defining my hair, curling my hair. The hold is extremely strong, but I do get flyaways when I use it. When I use my olive oil Eco Gel, I don't get flyaways. The hold is not as good as the Wetline Gel, but I don't get flyaways. I would rather have less hold with no flyaways than more hold with flyaways, because like what do I need all that hold for? So yeah, in this part you just see me twisting it or braiding it up. Y'all know I yawn in every voiceover, but like I said, choose whatever gel you know is going to work, because you want this style to come out smooth. You don't want any flyaways. So now I'm taking my wig brush. Y'all know I live by my wig brushes, and I'm smoothing my hair out, combing it out, brushing it out, adding more gel as I go. The key to this is to use a hard brush, a hardboard brush, hard bristle brush, and make sure your hair is extremely detangled, because number one, like I keep saying, you don't want any flyaways, and also you don't want your hair to be lumpy, kinky, curly. You want your hair to be smooth. That's what I should say. You want a very smooth base for your style, so you want to make sure everything is detangled like it is supposed to be. So it took me forever to put my hair in a ponytail and finally get to smooth it out, but here you will see me finally putting it into a ponytail. And I don't put it in a bun from the ponytail, I put it in a ponytail, then I wrap it around like a bun later. This is not the final one, but I do fix it up. So here I'm just molding it like I said, and you will see when I watched other people's tutorials, they all swoop their hair up into the bun, but I couldn't do that. I don't know if my hair was too long or if my hair was too thin, but I was not able to swoop my hair up like how they was doing it. So I ended up having to swoop my hair to the back instead of swooping my hair up. So just know, if your hair doesn't swoop up, just swoop it to the back, and I will come back and show you guys what I meant. But here for now, you can watch me struggle trying to swoop it up, so you can see that like we make mistakes too. We aren't always perfect, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, so I don't need to come back. Here it is right now. So yeah, I just swooped it to the back, and I'm fixing my bun so it's out the way. And all I did when I swooped it to the back was I made sure it's really flat and really smooth. And then I had just bought some big clips the day before, so y'all, was so ugly to me, but I put gold clips in the back instead of like when I seen some people swoop theirs to the back too on YouTube, but they use hairpins and my hair is gold. I don't have any gold hairpins, so, well, blonde, but whatever. I don't have any blonde gold hairpins, so it's just going to look tacky with all these black hairpins. So I tried to be fancy and use gold clips, and it didn't look right to me. It wasn't ugly, but it wasn't me normally. So now I'm just trying to hurry up and do my edges before it dries, because like I said, this Wetline gel is nothing to play with. When it holds, it holds. Your edges will not move. And now I'm just smoothing everything out, making sure I don't have any flyaways, fixing the clips when I need to. And then after that, I just put clips in my hair and wait, no, I wrapped my scarf around it, and then I took the scarf off, and then I put clips in my hair, and that was the end of that. I will come back for my outro, but yeah. Boom, baby. I look crazy. I should have did my eyebrows. Now I'm putting on my 24 clear lip gloss. It is officially for sale on my business page, so check out Otherwani Ego on Instagram. Boom, baby. So we have come to the end of the video. This was one of the more difficult styles that I have tried on my natural hair. So if you want to try this style, you have to have patience and determination, or else it's just not going to work. If you liked that video, make sure you subscribe, and if you didn't like that video, still make sure you subscribe and just comment down below what you would like to see next. When you subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.